Well, tonight's legal topic, we're focusing on kids that are in trouble, dealing with issues with the law. But Ken, as I mentioned, is our host attorney tonight, and you wanted to, if you will, I guess, share with our viewers a little bit of update on court funding and where that stands, because there's been some changes going on, right?
Yeah, I wanted to talk to the public about this. It's a very important issue. Chief Justice Chuck Malone has been working with the Alabama Bar, Alabama State Bar, with the Alabama Legislature, that being the House and Senate, and with the Governor's office to keep our courts open. There's a tremendous, as probably you all know, a tremendous budget shortfall that's going to affect so many different parts of government. But one in particular is court funding. There was a bill that Justice Malone had been working with the legislature on through the AOC, and what ultimately had to be done, the legislature had to vote on whether or not to increase court costs. And I want to say to the legislature and those members in the legislature that thank you, because what was about to happen is we were about to lose, we, the state of Alabama, were going to lose starting in June, jobs. I think they had estimated over 500 jobs would be lost almost immediately. There was going to be courthouses closing, and if you, the public, don't have access to the courts, the whole system starts to kind of crumble. So I guess the public isn't always on notice or doesn't really know the insides and outs of some of those type problems, especially with our court system. And I just want to thank our legislators for standing up, for being statesmen, because this is really an unpopular, it's never popular to have to raise a fee on anybody, and none of the legislators wanted to do that.
Yeah.
But they stood up and did the stately thing, and they voted to save our courts, basically. So I want to take
on the jobs. I mean, that's huge.
Save the jobs.
Yeah.
Save the job.
Yeah.
And you know, the legislature gets a bad rap sometimes. They say they argue too much, but on this one, I just want to say kudos to all of you. And if you see a legislator out there, a House member or senator, you know, tell them thank you for saving our courts. It's really important, and it would be really appreciated. So I just wanted to make sure that everybody knew that.
Yeah.